Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay Cardano. Kung saan ang sabi po rito ay Cardano to $8. Veteran analyst says ADA breakout may occur earlier than expected. Yan, meron na pong isang veteranong analyst. Ibig pong sabihin ay isa po siyang eksperto. At ayon po sa kanya ay si Cardano ay patungo na po sa presyong $8 sapagkat mukhang mapapaaga raw po ang isang magaganap na breakout dito na siyang magdudulot sa pag-angat nito sa presyong $8. At yan, atin pong aalamin yung kanyang karagdagang paliwanag dito sa kanyang analysis. Pero bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. At ayan, ang sabi rito ay market analyst Ali Martinez expects Cardano to clinch an ambitious $8 price target in the future, noting that a breakout for the token could come earlier than market participants expects. Yan na nga, si Ginoong Ali Martinez po ang market analyst. Yan, isang veteran analyst ang siyang naglabas ng kanyang price prediction dito kay Cardano or analysis kung saan ay magagawa daw po nitong akyatin ang isa nitong ambitious price target na $8. At ayon po sa kanya ay ang dahilan po rito or ang magdudulot po nito ay isang magaganap na matinding breakout. Yan, ito po yung actual na tweet ni Ginoong Ali Martinez. The Cardano breakout may come earlier than expected. Still, if history repeats itself, we are anticipating ADA to rise to 0.8, retrace to 0.6, and then enter a bull run toward $8 by January 2025. Kaya yan po yung kanyang prediction. Kung mauulit daw po ang history or yung previous performance ni Cardano, ay si Cardano or ADA ay pansamantalang aakyat muna sa presyong 80 cents or 0.8. Tapos magkakaroon ito ng bahagyang retracement or babagsak ito sa 0.60. Tapos ang kasunod nito ay dito na po talaga siya sasabog patungo sa presyong $8. At magaganap daw po ito or mangyayari daw po ito pagsapit po ng buwan ng January, pero next year na po yan, taong 2025. Kaya yan. Martinez's lofty price target hinges on historical context as the analyst explores the prospects of a repeat history. Notably, Cardano has leveraged the market-wide rally to clinch the 0.6 or 60 cents threshold, but it remains in a range-bound movement with zoom out. Kaya yan yung pinakabasihan po dito ni Ginoong Ali Martinez ay yung previous performance ni Cardano kung saan ay inaasahan po niya na posibleng maulit ito. ADA's historical movements. Amid these price movements, Martinez identified observable similarities between ADA's current price actions and the ones it recorded from late 2018 to November 2020. Notably, ADA traded within a 3-month trendline channel from September 2018 to June 2020. Kaya yan, naobserbahan daw po ni Ginoong Ali Martinez yan yung pagkakapareho sa previous price performance ni Cardano noong taong 2018 hanggang November 2020. Kaya ayan, kung saan ay si Cardano ay meron po siyang nabuo na 3 trendline channel mula po noong September 2018 hanggang June 2020. Kaya ayan, ito po yung kanyang chart dito. Ayan, ito po yung previous na pattern na nakita ni Ginoong Ali Martinez. At ngayon naman po ay ito po yung sa kasalukuyan. At kapag ikukumpara natin ito ay talagang may pagkakatulad sila. Medyo mas malaki nga lang yung sukat ng previous pattern na ito kumpara sa kasalukuyan. During this time, the crypto asset was stuck between the 0.0177 low and a high of 0.1069, while the top trend line presented fierce resistance to a breach above 0.10. ADA leveraged the bottom trend line to defend against any drops below 0.017. This resulted in Cardano trading within this range for 21 months. ADA eventually broke above the top trend line following weeks of consistent gains in July 2020. The breakout resulted in a surge to a high of 0.1546, but ADA recorded another roadblock at this price. The resistance at this point led to a price drop, leading to a retest of the top trend line, which Cardano had believed to support. ADA continued to retest the support at the top trend line until it skyrocketed in November 2020 with the ensuing rally leading to the 3.1 all-time high in August 2021. Kaya yan po yung kung paano nabuo yung previous pattern na ito na pinagbabasihan ni Ginoong Ali Martinez. Ayan. At yan yung bago po ito sumabog ay ayan. Kaya ito na rin yung inaasahan na magaganap dito sa kasalukuyan. Cardano eyes $8 in repeat of history. Kaya yan, kung mauulit daw po ang previous performance na ito ni Cardano, ay posibleng akyatin ni Cardano ang presyong $8. Martinez believes Cardano is following the exact pattern in the current cycle. From September to December 2023, ADA traded within a similar 3 trend line channel with the bottom trend line hedging against a drop below 0.2394 and the top trend line serving as a resistance at 0.4617. Cardano broke out of the channel last December amid the market-wide rally of fourth quarter 2023. However, as January brought a persistent price collapse, ADA dropped to retest the top trend line, a pattern that was observed in the 2020 market cycle. ADA is currently trading within the range-bound phase characterized by persistent retests of the top channel. Martinez believes that the crypto asset could again register another price rally similar to the one witnessed from November 2020 to August 2021. Drawing from historical context, he expects the rally to begin in April 2024 and end in 2025, culminating in a 1,767% upsurge from the recent low of 0.447. This rally would eventually lead to an ADA price of $8. Investors remain hopeful, having persistent held onto their tokens. Kaya ayan. Yan po yung prediction dito ni Ginoong Ali Martinez kung saan ay yan sa umpisa daw po ng April 2024 at katapusan po ng January 2025 ay dito po makakaranas si Cardano ng 1,767% na upsurge mula sa kanyang recent or previous low na 0.447. Kaya ayan yung upsurge na ito or yung rally na ito ay ito po ang siyang magiging sanhi para akyatin ni Cardano ang presyong $8. ADA currently trades for 0.6017, up by 4.55% over the last 24 hours and 14.39% in the past week, despite Cardano being one of the beneficiaries of the latest market rally. Some proponents have lamented its current price position. Ayan pong muli ang prediction na inilabas ni Ginoong Ali Martinez dito kay Cardano, kung saan ayon po sa kanya ay malapit na raw po magkaroon ng isang breakout na siyang magdudulot sa pag-angat sa presyo ni ADA patungo sa presyong $8. At ayun, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.